The Costa Smeralda represents a bold step forward for Costa cruises, blending Italian style with cutting-edge environmental technology. Launched in 2019, this excellence-class vessel quickly became one of the most talked-about ships in the Mediterranean fleet. With capacity for over 5,000 passengers and nearly 2,000 crew members, she's designed to deliver the classic Costa experience on a truly grand scale. This ship isn't just big for the sake of being big. Spanning 20 decks and housing more than 2,600 staterooms, the Costa Smeralda offers something for everyone, from budget-conscious families to travelers seeking a premium experience. What really sets her apart is the liquefied natural gas propulsion system, making her one of the cleanest cruise ships sailing today. That's a feature that matters more and more to environmentally conscious cruisers who still want to explore the world without leaving a massive carbon footprint behind. When it comes to accommodations, the Costa Smeralda doesn't disappoint. The ship offers the full spectrum of stateroom options, from cozy interior cabins perfect for those who spend most of their time exploring the ship to spacious suites with all the bells and whistles. Inside, cabins provide a comfortable retreat at the most accessible price point, ideal for families or groups who view their cabin as simply a place to sleep between adventures. Ocean view staterooms step things up with natural light and a window to the sea, giving passengers a connection to the ocean without the premium price tag of a balcony. For many cruisers, these represent the sweet spot between value and comfort. The rooms are thoughtfully designed to maximize space, with clever storage solutions that help keep things organized even on longer voyages. Balcony cabins are where the Costa Smeralda really shines. There's something magical about having your own private outdoor space where you can sip morning coffee while watching the Mediterranean coastline glide by. These cabins cater to couples and families alike, offering a personal sanctuary away from the bustling public areas. The balconies themselves are well proportioned, with room for 2 chairs and a small table, perfect for romantic evenings under the stars. Suite guests enjoy an elevated experience with additional square footage, priority services, and enhanced amenities. These accommodations often include separate living areas, premium bedding, and access to exclusive areas of the ship. For multi-generational families or those celebrating special occasions, the suites provide the space and comfort needed to make the cruise truly memorable. The ship also offers accessible staterooms designed for guests with mobility challenges, ensuring everyone can enjoy the Costa experience. Dining aboard the Costa Smeralda is an adventure in itself. The ship features multiple main dining rooms where passengers can enjoy multi-course meals in elegant surroundings. These venues serve a rotating menu that showcases Italian cuisine alongside international favorites, ensuring even picky eaters find something to love. The atmosphere strikes a balance between refined and relaxed, perfect for families who want a nice meal without the stress of overly formal dining. Beyond the main restaurants, the ship offers numerous specialty dining venues for those willing to pay a bit extra for something unique. Italian trattorias, steakhouses, and Asian fusion restaurants provide variety throughout the cruise. These spots are ideal for celebrating special occasions or simply breaking up the routine with a different culinary experience. The quality in these venues typically exceeds what's available in the complimentary dining rooms, making the modest upcharge worthwhile for food enthusiasts. Casual dining options abound for those who prefer a more laid-back approach to meals. Buffet-style venues offer everything from breakfast pastries to late-night snacks, with stations dedicated to different cuisines and dietary preferences. Pizzerias, burger joints, and gelato bars ensure nobody goes hungry between formal meal times. The variety means you could cruise for a week and never eat the same thing twice if you didn't want to. The bar scene on Costa Smeralda caters to every mood and preference. From sophisticated cocktail lounges to lively sports bars, there's a watering hole for every personality. Wine bars showcase Italian vintages alongside international selections, while coffee bars serve premium espresso drinks that rival anything you'd find on land. Themed bars and nightclubs keep the party going well into the evening for those with energy to burn. The pool deck is where the Costa Smeralda truly feels like a floating resort. Multiple pool areas spread across the ship ensure there's always space to cool off, even on sea days when everyone's aboard. The main pool serves as the social hub, surrounded by loungers and often hosting poolside activities and games. It's the heart of the ship on sunny Mediterranean days, buzzing with energy and laughter. For adults seeking tranquility, dedicated quiet zones offer an escape from the family-friendly chaos. These areas typically feature their own pools or whirlpools, comfortable seating, and a more refined atmosphere. It's the perfect spot for reading a book, working on your tan, or simply enjoying a peaceful moment with a drink in hand. The ship respects that not everyone wants constant activity and noise during their vacation. Water slides and splash zones cater to younger passengers and the young at heart. These features add an element of excitement that traditional cruise ships sometimes lack, giving kids a reason to stay on board even when docked at exciting ports. Whirlpools scattered throughout the deck areas provide soothing relaxation after a day of exploration or activity. The variety of aquatic options means everyone from toddlers to grandparents finds their happy place. Onboard activities keep passengers entertained from morning until night. Sports facilities include basketball courts, mini golf, and fitness areas equipped with modern cardio and strength training equipment. These spaces attract fitness enthusiasts who refuse to let vacation derail their workout routines, as well as casual players looking for friendly competition. The equipment is well maintained and the facilities are spacious enough to avoid feeling crowded. Entertainment programming rivals what you'd find in many land-based resorts. Theater productions showcase talented performers in elaborate shows featuring music, dance, and acrobatics. These productions provide a polished evening entertainment option that appeals to all ages. The quality of the performances often surprises first-time cruisers who didn't expect Broadway-caliber talent at sea. Cultural and educational programs offer enrichment opportunities for intellectually curious passengers. Cooking demonstrations, language classes, and destination lectures help travelers connect more deeply with the regions they're visiting. These programs add substance to the cruise experience, transforming it from simple relaxation into genuine cultural immersion. Even skeptics often find themselves drawn to at least one or two of these offerings during their voyage. The Spa and Wellness Center provides a sanctuary for those seeking rejuvenation. Treatment menus include everything from basic massages to elaborate multi-step therapies incorporating exotic ingredients and techniques. While spa services carry an additional cost, many passengers find them worthwhile for special pampering or relief from travel stress. The therapists are typically well-trained professionals who create a genuinely relaxing experience. Thermal suites featuring saunas, steam rooms, and heated loungers offer a more affordable wellness option. Some ships include these in spa packages or allow day passes, giving passengers access to therapeutic heat experiences without booking individual treatments. Yoga and fitness classes led by certified instructors provide structured wellness activities for those who prefer guided exercise. These classes range from gentle stretching to intense cardio workouts, accommodating various fitness levels. Kids and teens clubs ensure younger passengers have age-appropriate activities and socialization opportunities. Dedicated spaces for different age groups mean toddlers aren't mixing with teenagers, creating more comfortable environments for everyone. Trained youth counselors supervise activities ranging from arts and crafts to video game tournaments, giving parents the freedom to enjoy adult time knowing their children are safe and entertained. Teen programs recognize that adolescents have different needs than younger children. These offerings typically include more independence, later hours, and activities designed to appeal to that age group's interests. From dance parties to sports competitions, the programming helps teens connect with peers and actually enjoy the cruise rather than feeling dragged along on a family vacation. Many parents credit these programs with making their cruise a success. The Western Mediterranean itineraries showcase some of Europe's most captivating destinations. 7-night voyages typically visit a mix of iconic cities and charming coastal towns, offering variety that keeps the cruise interesting. Each port presents opportunities for independent exploration or organized shore excursions, allowing passengers to customize their experience based on interests and energy levels. Shore excursions range from cultural tour of historic sites to adventure activities like hiking and water sports. Food and wine tour prove particularly popular in Mediterranean ports, where local cuisine and vintages are world-renowned. These organized trips take the stress out of port days, providing transportation, guides, and structured itineraries that maximize limited time in each destination. Independent travelers can also venture out on their own, using the ship as a floating hotel while exploring at their own pace. The ports themselves offer incredible diversity. Ancient ruins, Renaissance art, pristine beaches, and vibrant markets all feature on typical Western Mediterranean itineraries. This variety means different family members can find aspects that appeal to their interests, whether that's history, shopping, outdoor adventure, or simply soaking up the atmosphere in a seaside cafe. The destinations truly make these cruises special, with the ship serving as a comfortable base for exploration. Overall, the Costa Smeralda delivers a solid cruise experience that particularly appeals to families and first-time cruisers. The ship's size means abundant amenities and activities, though some passengers find the crowds overwhelming during peak times. The Italian flair in design and service creates a distinctive atmosphere that sets Costa apart from more generic cruise experiences. Value for money tends to be good, especially compared to premium cruise lines. Weaknesses include occasional language barriers, as Costa caters to a heavily European clientele and announcements often come in multiple languages. Some American cruisers find this charming while others find it frustrating. Service quality can be inconsistent, with some crew members going above and beyond while others seem merely adequate. The ship's newness means fewer of the quirks and maintenance issues that plague older vessels, though some passengers actually prefer ships with more character. What truly makes the Costa Smeralda stand out is that liquefied natural gas propulsion system. As environmental concerns become increasingly important to travelers, being able to cruise with a significantly reduced environmental impact matters. This isn't just greenwashing either. The technology represents a genuine commitment to cleaner cruising that positions Costa as an industry leader in sustainability. The ship's size and modern design also distinguish her from competitors. As one of the largest vessels in the Costa fleet and among the biggest cruise ships worldwide, she offers a resort-style experience that smaller ships simply cannot match. The variety of dining, entertainment, and activity options means passengers can cruise multiple times without repeating experiences. That's valuable for cruise enthusiasts who return to favorite ships year after year. The Costa Smeralda includes conference and meeting facilities suitable for corporate groups and special events. These spaces feature modern audiovisual equipment and can be configured for various group sizes. While most passengers won't use these facilities, they make the ship viable for incentive trips and business meetings, expanding the potential market beyond pure leisure travelers. Guest experience highlights often center on memorable service moments and unexpected delights. Passengers frequently mention crew members who went out of their way to accommodate special requests or celebrate occasions. The Italian hospitality tradition shines through in these interactions, creating warm connections that transform a good cruise into a great one. Standout onboard experiences include sunset sailaways from beautiful ports, spectacular evening shows, and those perfect moments on a private balcony watching the Mediterranean world drift by.